Look at this house. Come on in. Let's see it. My name is Ronnie. My design studio is called Amorphous Studio. Today we are here at the Pasadena Showcase House, and I'm going to give you a little walkthrough about what I envisioned for the primary suite. This was built in 1907, so I wanted to be inspired by the art movement that was happening. There's a lot of trees and there are birds, freedom, gold and the green, and I didn't want to bring the green and the gold too much in the tiles. I wanted to bring that era to the bedroom. So you see the gold ceiling and then you see the wallpaper, but then I just wanted to come to a very peaceful bathroom, accentuate the fixtures and the fittings off of that white background. But I didn't want to just put white tiles. I fell in love with this Mercury tile, that continuous flow where you don't even know where the tile stops. You can see it has little gold tones, some green tones, and then I wanted to do something simpler, more mosaic-y for the shower area. I didn't want the floor or the wall to stand out differently. I wanted them to belong as one family because this is one entity. So I went with this clover shape. I just fell in love with that too because the clover kind of blended in with the forms of the birds, and then I just wanted the walls to be simple. Going with this white palette feels like it's pure. And you see this 12 by 24 gorgeous tiles with that molding and a little texture. It's very dreamy. It feels luxurious in many ways, even though it's white. All this comes together, and then I wanted to do something different on this wall because I didn't want this to continue here. Then it wouldn't make any impact. And this sculptured tulip just took my heart. Very soft against this straight lines of this 12 by 24s, and they just complement each other beautifully, and it just came together. Very respectful of the era that I was trying to represent, but in 2026.